Hi, I like your hair. So do we. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, I'm so strange. I just got this idea in school. I hope she watches this. Someone named Morgan. I really want to say sorry to. Like, please. I don't know what I did, but please forgive me whatever I do. I'm gonna hang out with Monica and you at the same time. Please, I will. And hi, Nate. Hi, Sienna. Hi, Debo. I added you on Facebook. Samantha, I added you. Jesse, I added you. If it wasn't for Nate, I would not find you guys. Well, anyway, I'm sorry, Morgan. Bye. Hey there. I like your hair. Hey there. I like your hair. Famous, famous, everybody famous. Can you blame us? Everybody famous. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time with the baseball bat. With the baseball bat. Bye.